Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Sony S40R Soundbar. This is 5.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer and 2 rear speakers, and this is the link for the rear speakers. This is the soundbar with metal grill. This soundbar is very slim, beautiful design. You can hook this soundbar up to your TV via Bluetooth, optical cable and HDMI. You can also use USB port here for you to stream music using USB stick. This soundbar, this is the remote control. From this remote you can select various mode. You can select auto sound, standard, cinema, music, voice and night mode. This soundbar deserves your attention. It's beautiful. 600 watts output, power output, 5.1 channel. This soundbar is very immersive and is 319 pounds here in UK. Soundbar now is connected to my laptop via Bluetooth. Going to do some measurement and show you how to hook this up, how to connect it to your TV using optical cable. This soundbar is 90 centimeter. The weight is 5.5 centimeter. The subwoofer from the front to the back is 36 centimeter. Okay, and from the bottom, the height is 39 centimeter. 39 centimeter. Now you can see, so select the input, select Bluetooth. Now what I want to show you is how to connect this soundbar, okay, to your TV using optical cable. So to connect this soundbar, you can see the blue light is flashing. Initially I connected this soundbar to laptop, okay, and while I was moving it around, it's disconnected from the laptop, okay. But what I want us to do is to connect this soundbar to TV using optical cable. So I'm going to bring the TV for us to do this, and the optical cable will goes into this subwoofer. So it's not, the ports are not on the soundbar, okay. So it goes to the subwoofer, and to connect this using optical cable, so what you need to do is you take the optical cable, okay, push it inside the TV in, okay. So put the optical cable inside the TV in, okay. So this goes in here. Okay, and it's in. So the optical cable is in, okay. Now the next, this section, this end need to go to the TV. So I'm going to use, before you do all this, ideally is for you to switch everything off, okay. Switch the soundbar off, and then you put the optical cable. I'm going to use LG TV to set this up, okay. So I'm going to use LG TV. So what I'm doing is getting the antenna. Okay, so this is the TV antenna. You need to hook up the antenna. So from the back, so the TV antenna goes to the antenna section. Now the next thing to do with the other end of the optical cable need to go to the back of your TV where it's written optical. So you need to make sure it's in optical. It goes in here. Okay, so it's in optical. Okay, then turn this around. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to plug in the TV to the power socket, plug in the speakers, and okay, so plug in it. These speakers can actually go at the back. They can go at the back of your TV or anywhere you want to put it. You can leave it anywhere. I'm leaving it this desk now for now, but you can put it at the back. Okay, so it doesn't have to be here. Okay, now the soundbar is in. Then the next thing to do, you need to switch on. Turn this around. Okay, now so what we need to do is we need to switch on the soundbar. The soundbar is on, and when you switch it on, then you need to change it. Use the input to select TV. So put the input to the TV. Okay, it's in TV now. It's on TV. Now switch it and the link. Make sure the link is on. Okay, switch the TV on. And now, so go to your TV settings. So go to your TV. This is the audio.
That's where the award-winning back smartwatch bed design comes in. The UK's first.
This is the audio. So go to your TV settings.
As you push forward and dries as you pull back. Effortless. The pre-treatment one quickly detaches.
This is the TV audio. So go to your TV settings. Okay. Now scroll down to the sound. So when you're on TV settings, scroll down to the sound. Scroll down, I can see a TV speaker. So select TV speaker. Now scroll to the side and go to optical. Go to optical and select optical. Then increase the volume. So this is the audio.
Euro Millions from the National Lottery. Play on app.
Welcome to the best restaurant in town, your kitchen.
So this is the audio. How to hook this up, and it will show you optical out. So now, how do you know? If you select the TV, okay, when it's optical, if you use the TV remote to increase the volume, you will see anything. The volume is cancelled. Okay, but now this is how to hook this up using optical cable, and it will also show you from this TV screen that it is in optical.
Get your quote today at lv.com.
You can also select cinema mode. You can select cinema mode and it change to cinema. This is music mode.
Awaken your world.
This is music mode.
Electric Ioniq 6 from Hyundai, the 2023.
You can also change it to voice. This is voice on.
Pavers for savoring that first morning.
So this is how to hook this up. If you go to your TV, when it's in optical, you can only control it using soundbar remote. So when it's in optical, you cannot control it with soundbar remote. You will not be able to control it using your TV remote. when you press the TV remote to increase the volume, you won't see any increase from the TV. So now this soundbar is connected, and you will see optical device, optical out device. Let me know what you think, guys. This is how to hook this up. It's nice soundbar, deserves your attention. You can select cinema. This is cinema. You can also select auto sound. All right, so now this is how to hook this up. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed, guys. Thank you. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. This is Sony Soundbar S40R Soundbar with wireless subwoofer, 2 rear speakers, and this is the soundbar here. If you check my video, you will see how we unbox this soundbar, set this soundbar up, and also connected this soundbar to TV using optical cable. What I want to show you is how to hook this soundbar up using HDMI ARC cable. This soundbar deserves your attention. It's 600 watts soundbar. Very immersive, very sleek, and modern design. This soundbar is beautiful, deserves your attention. And this is the remote control. From this remote control, you can select night mode, music, standard, auto sound, cinema, and voice. So you can select specific mode you like. Okay, you can also switch off the rear speakers and listen to your music from the soundbar and wireless subwoofer. Okay, just gonna do some measurements, and this soundbar is beautiful, very punchy, and it got metal grill in the front. The same thing is applicable to the subwoofer, also got metal grill. The speakers also got metal grills, very slim. And from this end, okay, so from this end, the soundbar to this end, okay, is 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter. The weight is 8 centimeter or 7.5 centimeter. The subwoofer from the front to the back, 36 centimeter. Now from the height from the bottom to the top is 39 centimeter. Okay, 39 centimeter. And this soundbar, the ports for you to hook this up to your TV are on the subwoofer. So the ports for you to hook it up are on the subwoofer, not on the soundbar. So now I'm just gonna remove the optical in. Check my video. We connected this soundbar to TV using optical, and what I want us to do is to connect it now using HDMI ARC. This is the HDMI ARC. So you put this cable, okay, stick the cable, hook it up to HDMI out TV ARC. So you push it inside. Okay, so it goes into the subwoofer. So push it inside. Now this end, we need to put this end to the back of the TV. Okay. So this goes to the back. Okay, now the next thing to do is this is the previous cable for the optical cable that I use. So just removing the cable. This is the optical cable. Okay, so now going to stand the speaker. These speakers actually, they can be at the back. Okay, so they don't have to be in the front of your TV, but I just put it here so that you will see it. You can leave them. They are meant to be at the back. So the other cable needs to go to need to go to HDMI in to ARC. Okay, so you can use HDMI to, depending on TV you are using. The TV I'm using is LG TV. Okay, so just to show you, I also want to mention, before you do all this, you're supposed to unplug the soundbar and the TV, unplug everything to avoid, okay, electrocution. So this goes in here into HDMI 2 in ARC. Okay, we also have USB in here and HDMI in 1. So I usually put this number 2. Okay, and when we put it with optical, we put it in optical digital audio output. So this is in now. Going to put the TV back. Okay, now the next thing to do is we need to plug in the TV socket, plug in the soundbar and the speakers or the link. Also remember to connect the TV antenna, and it's in. Now the next thing to do is, if you need to switch on the soundbar. So switch on the soundbar. When this soundbar is on, you will see the link will link up. Okay, then you wait for the subwoofer to be ready. Then use your input to select TV. Okay, so use your input, select TV from the input. When you are connecting this to soundbar, when you are connecting it using optical or HDMI, you need to make sure it's on TV. Okay, and now switch on your TV. So I'm going to switch on my TV. Now, if you go to the settings, on your TV. This actually is connected already, but I want to show you. If you go to your TV settings, okay, this is TV setting. Then scroll down to the sound. Scroll down to sound. You can see it's showing us optical, but you need to select on it. Now scroll down to HDMI. Okay, HDMI ARC device. Select on it. Here we go. Can see this. Can see the audio. And when this is the audio.
Hydrating, smoothing, beautiful skin foundation. Shop now at charlottetilbury.com.
This is the audio.
The Ninja Foodie Dual Zone, the air fryer that cooks 2 foods 2 ways and
Can see.
at the same time.
Now from this you can select cinema.
So much
Cinema mode.
sync to air fry in one drawer.
You can also select music mode.
Together.
This is music mode.
5% less fat.
If you use the remote control to select voice, this is voice.
Ninja Foodie Family.
If you want it in night mode, then you select night. You will see the night. This is night mode. If you want it in auto sound, then select auto sound. So guys, this is how to hook this up using HDMI cable. This is beautiful soundbar. When you connect this soundbar using HDMI and optical, you won't be able to control the volume using your TV.
Every single person.
Okay, we select the TV volume.
Half hour of comedy.
40 Towers, 50 years of laughs. Saturday at 9:15 on Channel 5 and My5.
Okay, when it's in HDMI ARC, you can still you're able to control the volume using your TV. This is something that I noticed now. But when it's in optical cable, the TV remote doesn't work. Okay, so
Welcome back to the show with Eve, Tessa and Storm, and it's time for Talking Telly.
okay, when it's in optical, okay, the TV remote was not working.
and human truth.
I don't want to leave this in one place because of copyright issues, so I like to move this around. Okay, so basically when you hook this up using optical cable, you need to control it using the remote control for the soundbar, not your TV. But with HDMI, you are still able to control it with the two remote. So if you look on the subwoofer, you will see the volume increase. When you are controlling it with remote control, the volume would increase or decrease depending on whichever one you are selecting. The same thing is applicable when you are using the TV remote control to increase the volume. You will see the volume increase from on the subwoofer. Okay, so guys, this is how this soundbar works. It's beautiful, and now is in voice mode. This is music mode. Okay, thank you very much, guys. This is how to hook this up using HDMI ARC cable. This is 5.1 channel soundbar with Dolby audio. This soundbar deserves your attention. This soundbar is with wireless subwoofer and two rear speakers, and this is the link. If you check my video, you see how we connected this soundbar, and this is the soundbar. This is very slim design and with metal grill. This is beautiful, very light, very slim, very decent, economical and affordable. This is 319 quid here in UK. This soundbar, you can hook it up to your TV via optical cable, HDMI and Bluetooth. You can also connect this soundbar to device using USB. Okay, so you can use USB stick here to listen to your music. Just gonna do some measurement. I put these speakers in front here so that you can see, but it's meant to be at the back, the rear speaker. And this soundbar, the measurement from this end to here is 90 centimeter. The weight is 7.5, and the rear speakers from the front is 18 centimeter. The weight is 9 centimeter. This is the link. You need to put the right one with gray lid on the link. Put the blue speaker on the link as well. The same thing is applicable. You also need to put, if you check the connection, then the subwoofer, okay, and the soundbar is linked here. So you put the link for the soundbar, link it up. Okay, so basically this soundbar, you can also, this is the remote control. From the remote control, you need to select the input to change it to specific mode you want to use. Okay, so use the input. Now to connect this soundbar to your TV, what you need to do is we need to first of all via Bluetooth. Okay, this soundbar, this is the on and off button. This is the on and off button. I can see it's switched off now. When it's switched off, you will see a red light on the link. But when it's working properly and when it's on, you will see a green light. So switch it on by pressing the green light. And then the next thing to do is you need to select from the speaker. So you keep an eye on the soundbar, keep an eye on the subwoofer. This is where you see the information. Okay, so for you to know where it is, so we need to select the input, and this is analog. Now the next is BT, so leave it. BT is Bluetooth, and when it's on Bluetooth, a blue light will be flashing here. Once it's connected to Bluetooth, the light will be steady on. So now the next thing we need to do is we need to switch the TV on. Now,
he's described
this is the TV sound. Okay, so go to your TV settings, select the settings. So go to the TV settings. Okay, when it's on TV setting, then you need to scroll down to sound, scroll down to sound out, select on it. Now scroll to the side to Bluetooth. Okay, this is Bluetooth. Then scroll down to search for available device, select on Bluetooth device, and it will start to look for available device. Okay, and you can see it found, once everything is correct, it will find, you pick up the device and you can see it found HT-S40R. Okay, click enter, select on it, and it's connecting, and it's connected. You can see when you can see HT-S40 is connected. So use the remote control to increase the volume. This is actually connected already. Okay, so this is the volume.
This is, but also giving a sense of the national political picture.
This is the audio.
The Tories were braced for a bad night and they lost power in several areas. When Labour took Plymouth,
okay, so this is the audio.
MP accepted.
You can use the both remotes to increase the volume.
Been, a really terrible night for us here in Plymouth.
You can also select voice. So this is the voice. So this is the voice. The same thing, if you want it to be in cinema mode, press cinema. And now it's on cinema. Okay, the next is music. This is music. If you want it on night mode, then press night. This is night mode. So when you are pressing this, then you keep an eye on the speaker, on the soundbar, subwoofer, for you to see the information. Okay.
Essex in the early hours, and the Liberal Democrats were cheering.
This is beautiful.
There and further afield were groundbreaking, the party claimed, predicting upsets in traditional Tory territory.
This is how to hook this up. You see what the speakers looks like. Beautiful. You can see this one. Okay, and the link, need to make sure, like I said, blue goes to the blue and the gray color lead goes to the gray. And you can see the soundbar, what it looks like. This is beautiful stuff, very nice, very slim, beautiful design. So this is how to hook this up. This can go at the back. You can see what it looks like. Guys, let me know what you think. This soundbar is £319 here in UK. It's beautiful, powerful soundbar that deserves your attention. Okay, thank you very much indeed, guys. I'm going to put up a link how you can get the cables, optical cable, HDMI ARC cable, and also the link for the soundbar. If you're happy with this overview and review on how to hook this up, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.